What's up, my people? Today we are making roasted Brussels sprouts with bacon. Here we go. Start off by cutting your Brussels sprouts in half, set them aside, just like that. All right, next thing you want to do is drizzle a little olive oil right over them, just like that. Kind of mix them up a little bit. Toss them, like so. Oh, it's kind of fun. All right, just like I want to do is chop up some bacon. It's gonna give it a nice crispy texture and just beautiful flavor all around. Okay, we got our pan or my cast iron skillet ready to go. Set it about a medium-high heat. You want to put these in here face down. Get them nice and roasted. All right, next thing we're gonna do is fry up the bacon. Like that. I got about 6 chopped up cloves of garlic in here. I'm just gonna drizzle them right over there. A little flavor in there. Once they're nice and roasted, you want to put them back in your bowl. I'm gonna crush some walnuts in here. Just roughly chopped, just like that. I like a lot of walnuts, so I'm going to add some more. I am going to add some dried cranberries to my mix. Not a whole lot, just for a little sweetness. Going to get our bacon. Add that to the mix. Last but not least, a little balsamic vinegar. Just drizzle it right over your mix just like that. Just a little. Or you want to mix it up. You're going to put it onto your baking sheet. Just like that. All right, got my oven set at 375, and you're gonna stick it in there for 30 minutes. All right, I've had these sirloin steaks sitting out for the last 40 minutes to bring them down to room temperature. Bring them up, I'm sorry, to room temperature. And I'm patting them dry with some paper towels. And we're gonna accompany our Brussels sprouts with these beautiful steaks. I'm going to add to these steaks our pink Himalayan salt. And some black pepper. And I will be seasoning both sides. All right, my grill is nice and hot. Getting it a little clean with my charcoal grill cleaner. Gonna start laying in our steaks. Just like that. All right, so it's time to take these Brussels sprouts out. Look at that color. All you want to do now is just salt them. Just like that. So I'm gonna plate some of these Brussels sprouts. Put one of these steaks right there. Alright, so it's time to try this beautiful ensemble here. Let's cut into the steak, see what we got here. Beautifully cooked. That. It's perfectly cooked. Great flavor. Got some bacon in there. This red wine goes perfect. Guys, once again, thank you so much for watching. Remember to smash that like button, share this video, leave me a comment below, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.